Hey, what's up everybody? I just wanted to demo kind of this effect that I was really admiring on the iOS weather app, and just wanted to show kind of how you might do this in Figma. It's not going to be a one-to-one, but we'll give it our best. So first thing we'll want to do is come over here to the side, and we'll want to create a rectangle. And if you create a rectangle, you'll be able to kind of like add different vector points here so that you can kind of change the shape. So it's important to do that from the start and not create a frame. So we'll have that. Go back to the design panel. We will add an effect here. Let's do a layer, texture. And I've already messed with these numbers, so I kind of know like this is something that we're after here. It's not going to be exactly like kind of this spotty, but this blob at least will have those nice edges to it. Next, we'll want to do some color. Let's go to the radial. We'll pick some colors out of here, add a couple stops. Second color looks like kind of a magenta pinkish. Grab this, what that is, purple. And then we'll get this blue, and let's give it the edge, kind of like maybe a little bit transparency on it. See what that looks like. Cool. Now we will move this onto the map. Gradient did not come along with it for some reason. Right, so I have this. It's a little too big, so we'll kind of play with the edges and get this kind of looking like it's over Fargo. Okay, that looks cool. It's kind of cool that there's some kind of holes in this pattern, so let's go with that. And I don't know if by adding this sort of these effects to it, if we can get the labels to look like they're on top of the pattern. Doesn't seem like it. And they also change the color pretty significantly. So let's just stick with this. It's just for demo purposes, but okay, so let's start this out here kind of on the edge of the frame. And are we getting some transparency on this? I wonder if those edges aren't coming through because of the texture on it. Does Fargo show through there? Kind of does. Let's maybe bump this down, I don't know, 50%. Okay, that's looking good. You might need to kind of play around with these however you like, but okay, so that looks pretty nice. And then to show the progression, we'll just duplicate the frame. I don't know, maybe we'll progress it a little bit past Fargo. And it's cool with the Smart Animate on Figma is it will animate this blob shape here, so we can kind of show it, maybe get in a little smaller, kind of dissipating out here as it goes east. Let's go with that shape and maybe change the center point of this. Cool. Let's see what that looks like. So change the shape, change the center point for the gradient of the shape. And now we'll just animate it. So I'll click on here, wire these two frames up. That looks good. Smart Animate. We'll keep it at, let's do 5 seconds for now. See what that looks like. Linear is probably the animation we'll want to use for this. Easing we can try them both, but I think animations might be a little bit more natural. Make sure I have it set to that size. Okay, tap. Okay, interesting. Did I have Smart Animate on? Smart Animate's on. The blob is a different shape, right? Let's see. It's not perfect. I mean, it's not gonna be perfect, but let's just keep it here so it moves a little bit more slowly. Okay, yeah, I think that looks pretty good. Cool. Hope that helps.